tomorrow.
Ma'am,
After that you will submit.
okay.
ओके मैम।
तो मैम जो संडे को सबमिट करना है वो क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर है ना?
हाँ, क्वेश्चन आंसर
तो मैम उसको
उसमें
अपने
activity
एक्टिविटी
one
1 लिख
लिखा है।
दिया, वो मैम असाइनमेंट 1
वो
है।
असाइनमेंट 1 था, वो एक्टिविटी 1 लिख दिया आपने। यस मैम।
that I will correct it.
ओके मैम।
That I will. Okay, so
मैम
हाँ बोलो।
मैम थर्ड एक्सपेरिमेंट का थ्योरी बहुत बड़ा है, वो पूरा लिखना है क्या?
हार्ड एक्सपेरिमेंट मतलब अभी जो करोगे आज?
यस मैम आज।
मैम बहुत बड़ा है मैम।
मैम बहुत ही बड़ा है।
यस मैम 2 है।
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है।
मैम 200 एक्सपेरिमेंट है उसमें मैम।
वेट करो, अभी क्यों टेंशन ले रहे हो?
3A and B।
नो टेंशन कोई।
मैम आपने भेज दिया क्या लिखने के लिए? एक ही साथ भेजा है ना उसने। ओ उसे
क्या क्या बोल रहे हो?
नहीं मैम, आपने वो PDF में एक ही पूरा लैब मैनुअल एक ही साथ।
अच्छा, ऑलरेडी आई हैव सेंड इट।
हाँ मैम एक ही साथ भेजा है।
क्लासरूम में भेज दिया आपने पूरा।
यस मैम क्लासरूम में।
ठीक है ठीक है। माय स्क्रीन इज विजिबल ऑल ऑफ यू?
नो मैम।
नो मैम।
नो मैम।
मैम
अरे स्क्रीन विजिबल नहीं है। 87 joined. Roll number Samriddhi present.
यस मैम यस मैम।
Satya Sarangi,
यस मैम।
Satyabrat,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Saurabh,
Present ma'am. Present ma'am.
Sayak,
Present ma'am.
Sayan, Shivam,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Subham,
Present, ma'am.
Shubham, Simran,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Saubhagya, present.
Present, ma'am.
Subhranshu,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Sudipta,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Supriya,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Swapnadeep,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Utkarsh,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Vaishnavi, present.
Present, ma'am.
Vinita, Ajay,
Yes, ma'am.
Amish,
यस मैम।
Ankit,
Present ma'am.
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Anurag,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Anushka,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Anvay, Arpit,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Aryan, Ashish,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Ashutosh, Ayushi,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Vivu Kalyani,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Chaman Kumar,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Pritish, Chetna,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Chavi, Harsh,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Hitesh,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Ritik,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Kartika,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Kaustav, Kunal,
प्रेजेंट मैम। प्रेजेंट मैम।
Neil,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Pallavi,
मैम
हाँ wait just.
No,
Pallavi is
yes.
absent. Pratyush, Premchandra,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Priyesh, Ranajay,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Raviraj,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Rishav,
प्रेजेंट मैम। प्रेजेंट मैम।
Ritika,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Samudranil,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Sarvajit,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Satvik,
Present ma'am.
Satyam,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Swami,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Sayani,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Sasank,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Sasi,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Subham, Shubham, Siddhant,
Present, ma'am. Shubham, present, ma'am.
Shubham, Siddhant,
Present, ma'am.
Soham,
Present, ma'am.
Somendu, Saurin,
Present, ma'am.
Shubham Das. Shubham Das is left, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Subhra,
Present, ma'am.
Suprashad,
Present, ma'am.
Supratim,
Present, ma'am.
Surachita,
Present, ma'am.
Susri,
Present, ma'am.
Swayash,
Present, ma'am.
Yes,
Shwayash,
present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Tarish,
Present, ma'am.
Utkal,
Present, ma'am.
Vivesh,
Present, ma'am.
Ritvankar,
Present, ma'am.
Anchal,
Present, ma'am.
Aman,
Present, ma'am.
Dipanjan, Abhijit,
Present, ma'am.
Adarsh,
Present, ma'am.
Akash,
Present, ma'am.
Anand,
Present, ma'am.
Ananya,
Present, ma'am.
Ananya,
Present, ma'am.
Ankit,
Present, ma'am.
Anika,
Present, ma'am.
Arnav,
Present, ma'am.
Aryak,
Present, ma'am.
Aryaman,
Present, ma'am.
Prakhar,
Present, ma'am.
Aryan,
Present, ma'am.
Ashish,
Present, ma'am.
Vaishnavi, Bhavya Priyadarshini.
Present, ma'am.
Somebody was telling something.
Ma'am, 780 Ashutosh Raut. Ma'am, present.
Ma'am, 748 Sayan Chattopadhyay. Ma'am, I got disconnected from the start.
740.
748.
Ma'am, 780.
780 कहाँ गया? Okay. So today which experiment you will do? Today we will do superposition theorem.
Ma'am, third experiment. Yes, ma'am.
Third experiment is superposition theorem.
Ma'am,
Hello, madam.
energy meter and the energy
Madam,
consumption.
energy meter haba.
Ma'am, energy meter and energy
Electricity
consumption.
meter, that one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. And energy consumption of
मैडम
different
मैं सुपरपोजिशन
appliances.
ओके ओके जस्ट वेट सुपरपोजिशन टा मैडम कर दवा तापर एनर्जी मीटर करियो
Okay, madam. Okay, ठीक আছে.
ହେଲା এটা পঢ়েଇছি তো ଏବେ ଜଷ୍ଟ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ରେ ତ करे दवा ଏବେ
ହଁ ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ତାହେଲେ ସୁପରପୋଜିସନ ଥେଭନିନ୍ ସାରିକି ଏନର୍ଜି ମିଟର କରିବା
ସୁପରପୋଜିशन ଥେଭନିନ୍ ଟା ପଢେଇ ଦବା ହେଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ ତ
ହଁ ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ଠିକ ଅଛି
ହଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି so we will do superposition theorem
Ma'am,
next experiment so listen
एक ही होना है?
हाँ
मैम आज एक ही
only
एक्सपेरिमेंट
one
होगा
हाँ एक एक्सपेरिमेंट हर दिन एक ही एक्सपेरिमेंट होगा
मैम आज फोर्थ होगा
So, no, fourth wala, fourth experiment I will do it because just now I
Yes,
have
ma'am,
taught you the
superposition.
superposition theorem.
Okay, ma'am, okay.
That will be easy for you. Okay.
Yes,
We will complete superposition theorem. Thevenin's also I have just now I am teaching. So that's why these two we will do. Then after that we will go for 3. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So now come to the superposition theorem. Anybody state? I will not call your name. You tell me. You tell me the statement of superposition theorem. Look at your copy, theory copy where I have taught you. There you look at and tell me. Look at your copy and you tell me. Quickly tell. Any one of you tell. Any one of you tell. Any one of you look at your copy and tell.
Ma'am, a circuit which multiplies.
Ma'am, in a circuit or in a network of linear resistance containing more than one source of EMF, the current
Yes.
which flows at any point is the sum of all the currents which would flow at that point if each source of EMF were considered separately and all the other sources of EMF replaced for the time being by resistance equal to their internal resistance.
Yes, ma'am.
So here what we will do, we will find out current in any branch we can find out by using superposition theorem. But what is the limitation where you cannot apply superposition theorem? Where you cannot apply superposition theorem, tell me. What is the, somebody will ask you, what is the limitation of superposition theorem? Where you cannot apply superposition theorem? You have constant in using superposition theorem. Tell me.
Where there is one source of EMF.
One first
one
is
source.
you cannot apply superposition theorem where you are having only one source of EMF.
EMF.
If
only for linear circuit.
it is applicable for linear circuit, it is applicable for bilateral circuit. Okay, linear active bilateral network. It is active. It is applicable to a linear active bilateral network. Am I clear to all of you? And what is
Yes,
the note all these things? These things will, these questions we will answer. Okay. So and the second thing is you cannot apply to a network where you are having more than one source of. You cannot apply to a network where you are having only one source of EMF, right? So now we will, I have already explained, so I will take a circuit and I will solve it, which I will do it. अंजना मैडम एटा केते केते वैल्यू नहीं चलती पहले ये जो तीनटा रो रजिस्टर रो वैल्यू
मैडम 50 ohm each 50 ohm each
50 ohm, all are 50 ohm, huh?
yes ma'am.
Okay, so this experiment voltage.
voltage 10-20 ଗୋଟେ minute madam କହୁଛି.
Okay, 10. So we will whatever in the video रे जोटा कहउछन मैडम वीडियो रे जति
ହଁ madam କହୁଛି ଗୋଟେ minute ରେ କହୁଛି.
हां हां
10-20
so this experiment you will see it in the video and you will do it in the virtual lab, means in the simulation platform. Okay, so here the voltage madam will check. You will find out what is the current in this branch, find out what is the current in this branch, find out what is the current. My aim is to find out the current in all three branches, but in the video we have done to find out the current for this particular branch. Okay, for this particular branch we have applied superposition theorem.
ma'am 10-10 E1 E2 10-10
Okay, and these are
and
50,
resistance 50 ohm each.
Okay, very good. Thank you, madam. So here you will find out what is the current flowing in this. What is your first step? While applying superposition theorem, always remember that all the steps you have to do it while doing in your exam. Okay, so you are having n number of sources. You have to draw n number of circuits. While drawing n number of circuits, you will consider one source at a time. Other sources you will replace it by the internal resistance. Okay, internal resistance means I have very well explained you. Whatever the sources we are taking, they are all ideal one. That is why internal resistance is not given. That means we are considering as that internal resistance is 0. Okay, these resistance, internal resistance is not given, implies that the voltage source we are taking it as an ideal one and internal resistance we are taking it as 0. Suppose in a circuit, suppose you may not be given in the question practical source. Practical source, how will you know? If the internal resistance will be given to you or in the question it will be mentioned to you. That is your practical source. So usually we are not taking a practical source. Whatever theoretically when you are doing, we are taking it as an ideal. Okay. So here internal resistance. So when you are considering one source at a time, other sources you have to replace it by the internal resistance. That means if a voltage source is there, you have to what? You have to make the resistance 0. That means what you have to do? Resistance 0 in case when there is a what? Tell me.
Short circuit.
Very good. When there is a short circuit, here the resistance is 0. So when there will be a voltage source, you have to short it. And when there is a current source, what you have to do?
Open circuit.
That means what exactly you are doing? You are deactivating the energy sources. That means our aim is to consider one source at a time, and rest of the sources we will deactivate it. Okay, that means how you deactivate it? If a voltage source is there, it is there and it is giving you the potential difference. So I am making the potential difference 0. That means what I am doing? I am just sorting these two terminals. These two terminals was there where it was providing the potential difference. So I have just sort these two terminals. That means I have deactivated the potential difference. That there is no use of using this voltage source. Similarly, current source is there. There is a current source which is giving a 10 ampere current. If I will just open circuit, there will be no 10 ampere current. Only 0 ampere current will be flowing. Okay, that means I have open circuited. So that means I am considering one source and deactivating other sources. Understood all of you? So now come to this problem. Here, any doubt you will ask me, or else I will ask you question. If you will not ask, I will ask. That is sure. So here, I will solve by taking the first one. I will take one voltage source, 10 volt source, which is present in the left hand side. Here my circuit will be this one 10 volt, this one 50, this one 50, and what I have done it for the next source, I have just sorted it. Okay, so now you will tell me this is 50 ohm, this is 50 ohm, this is 50 ohm. What is the voltage? Your 10 volt. So what is the current which will flow from the battery? If I will ask you, what is the current flowing from the battery? So I will first find out what is the equivalent resistance. Anyway, you can solve it. You can use nodal analysis here. You can use mesh analysis here. Okay, any of the analysis which you have read, you can apply here to find out what is the current. In my aim is to find out what is the current flowing in this 50 ohm middle branch I want to find out. Okay. So now what is the equivalent resistance? These 50 and this 50 are connected in parallel. Yes or no?
Yes,
these 2 points are, this is your same point.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these two connected in, so 50 connected parallel with 50 in series with how much?
50.
This 50. Okay.
50.
In series with 50. So how much? 50 parallel with 50 is how much?
25.
25.
5.
25 ohm plus how much? 50. That is equal to 75 ohm
75
is your
ohm.
R equivalent. Okay. So what is my current flowing from the battery? This current will be equal to how much? 10 divided by 75 ampere. Clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these 10 divided उसको फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करो. कैलकुलेटर रखो, तुरंत कैलकुलेशन करो. तुम लोग इतना लेट मत करो. सब बैठ गए हो ऑनलाइन में ना, कुछ कैलकुलेशन नहीं, सब बैठे हो, मैडम कर देंगे कैलकुलेशन.
0.1334.
133 इतना
133 में
133 एम्पियर.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 0.133 ampere. So 0.133 ampere is flowing here. 0.133 ampere current is flowing here. Now it is divided into two parts. You see, now it is divided into two parts. First part is going here. Second part is going here. Got it or not, all of you?
Yes,
Any doubt? Silly doubt? Big doubt? Silly doubt, big doubt, medium doubt, all doubt, ask at any point of a time. Okay. So here these two resistance, this current is divided into in between these two resistance. So what will be, use current divider rule. So what will be the current in this 50? I want the current which is flowing in this one. Let you take it as, I take this as I1. Okay. Take this as I2. So what is my current I1? I1 will be 0.133 multiply with 50 divided by 50 plus 50. How much it is? Quickly calculate and tell me.
Ma'am, 0.0665.
0 point how much?
0.0665.
0.0665.
इतना मतलब 665 आ रहा है तो
665. Yes, ma'am.
06
Yes, ma'am.
066 up to 3 places I have written. Okay. Now come to the second one. Second one, I will take it the second source. I will take the second source. I will sort the first one. Okay. I will sort the first one. I will take the second source. Now here you see I have given the voltage source in the right hand side. Now this is your 10 volt. This is 50. This is 50. This is 50. Now I will find out what is the equivalent resistance. What is the equivalent resistance here? Tell me. Equivalent resistance, R equivalent will be equal to, these two are connected in, these two are connected in
0.133
parallel.
सेम ही आएगा 0.133
सेम ही
Okay.
सेम ही है
सेम ही
So
आएगा
हाँ same आएगा. 50 parallel with 50 in series with 50. So this is coming as 75 ohm, right?
यस मैम
All of you got it now.
Yes, ma'am.
Here तुम लोग का वैल्यू है सेम है तो सेम आ रहा है.
मैम सेम ही
Okay.
आएगा
हाँ. So now what is the current here? Current will be same. 0. How much will be the
133.
current? 10 divided by 75. That is 0.133 ampere. So here 0.133 ampere current is flowing from the battery. Now this is divided into two parts. So I want this part. So what? Let you take it as I1. Take it as I1 dash. Take it as I2 dash. Okay. So what will be your? You take it as double dash. This one double dash. You take this as I1 dash and I1. Take this as I1 dash, I2 dash. Okay. So here I1 double dash is equal to how much? Tell me. I1 double dash will be equal to how much? 0.133 multiplied with 50 divided by 50
plus 50
right? So this will be coming 0.66.
मैम
0.066 ampere. Very good. Okay. So now I will apply superposition theorem. I have individually solved the circuit by considering one source at a time. Now I will apply superposition theorem. Okay. So this current will be equal to how much? The current which is flowing in the same point. While considering one source at a time, rest of the sources replaced by their internal resistance. Okay. So what will be the value of I? My aim is to find out the value of I. So what will be the value of I? I is equal to I1 dash plus I1
double dash
So how much it is coming?
0.1
How much it is? how much it was? 0.66.
66
no?
0.066
0.066 plus 0.066 कितना आ रहा है?
0.132
Very good. अरे सब very good.
0.132.
Now 0.132. We will check it whether in the video you are getting this answer or not. Okay, you will see what you will do. It is while doing in the online platform. First, you give these two sources. Okay, your aim is to verify superposition theorem. Without using superposition theorem, first you will find out what is the current. That I have not done it. So now I have applied superposition theorem and I have found it out. Without applying superposition theorem, if I will tell you, find out what is the current in this particular branch. So you will check. We have now applied. Now without applying superposition theorem. Because how will you verify whether your superposition theorem is correct or not? How will you verify? Now I have two sources. Here this is 10 ohm. This is 10 volt. This is 50 ohm. This is 50 ohm. This is 50 ohm. So now I will apply without applying superposition theorem. What will be the current? Which analysis you can use? Mesh analysis you can use. Find it out. Nodal analysis I can use. See, I will use nodal analysis. Why? Because I have only one unknown node whose potential is not known to me. Okay. Here I am having only one node whose potential is not known to me. So I can with one equation I can find out what is the potential of this node, so that I can find out very easily what is the current in this circuit. So now use nodal analysis, name the nodes, assign voltage to the node, all the steps would be there. Steps में देखूंगी एग्जाम में किसी का स्टेप नहीं है कि बिग जीरो दे दूंगी और वहां पर रिमार्क में लिख दूंगी यू हैव नॉट गिवन द स्टेप्स ड्यू टू स्टेप्स में आई गिव मैक्सिमम मार्क फॉर द स्टेप्स और यहाँ से कॉपी करके आंसर ले जाओगे और एक 0 नेगेटिव मिल जाएगा, ठीक है। सो हियर नेम द नोड I1, assign the potential to the node, write down the node equation. Okay, node equation is V1 product of the potential of that node and sum of the reciprocal of the resistances connected to that node, 1 by 50 plus 1 by 50 plus 1 by 50, then
minus 10 by
minus 10
minus 10 by 50
50
minus 10 by
10 by
50 is equal to
equal to 0.
जल्दी सॉल्व करके मुझे दो वैल्यू, V1 का वैल्यू कितना है। सिद्धांत सॉल्व करके दो, सिद्धांत शुभम करो। जल्दी करो। 1 by 50 1 by 50 1 by 50 3 by 50 हो गया। V1 whole into 3 by 50
6.66 volt
6 point
50 by 3
V1 कितना आ रहा है
6.66 6.66 by 3 वही मैम।
ओके ओके वेरी गुड। तुम लोग जो आंसर बोले, मुझे मेरे पास आंसर नहीं है, तुम जो बोल रहे हो मैं लिख रही हूँ, ठीक है। सो नाउ दिस इज माय व्हाइल यूजिंग द nodal analysis, this is my datum node 04. So what will be my current in the 50 ohm resistor? That will be equal to V1 minus 0 divided by 50. So this is 6.66 divided by 50. How much it is coming? देखो चेक करो ये आंसर
0.133
133 ये आया है, तो 0.133 कितना आया है?
yes ma'am
0.
Yes, ma'am.
कहाँ गया मेरा आंसर?
ऊपर में मैम
हाँ
0.133
0.133. देखो superposition theorem you have used, without using superposition theorem, with using superposition theorem, your answer is same or not? Clear to all of you? Any
Yes, ma'am.
doubt, tell me, ask me, or else we will switch over to the video. अच्छी तरह से वीडियो देखना, क्वेश्चंस आई विल आस्क यू। और जहां पर डाउट है, एनीवेयर डाउट, यू टेल टू स्टॉप द वीडियो एंड आस्क देयर डाउट। The video will be shown to you. I am telling you to each one of you, any doubt at any point of a time in the video you are facing, you ask to stop the video and ask raise questions there. Any doubt with this? Tell me. Theory part clear?
no ma'am.
Okay, chalo. Okay, Anjana madam, you start. Huh? I have stopped staring.
Yes madam, yes madam. Okay student, already on slow and KCL KVL we are doing the same platform. Okay, so just one question I am asking before playing the video. Just tell me, to regulate the DC voltage or to vary the DC voltage, we are using one equipment, one instrument was used in both the video. Tell me the name of that instrument.
Rheostat.
Anybody? No.
Multimeter.
That's why
Potential
multimeter
divider.
is used. Potential divider. Multimeter. Shivam, you are saying multimeter. What is the use of multimeter? Tell me. What is the use of multimeter? Anybody?
Ma'am, वो
To measure current and
voltage. The reading of the values.
It is used for multi-purpose to measure so many.
The multimeter.
Yes, voltage. There are so many parameters: voltage,
Yes, ma'am.
current, resistance, frequency. Okay. How you are saying that multimeter we are using
क्या
potential?
आंसर दे रहे हो शिवम?
Potential divider.
confused हो गए थे।
Anyhow. No. Confusion is not like this. Confused ठीक है, confused हो रही हो ठीक है. Online में ये सब दिखा रहे हैं, but that's why ma'am has told ना. Before starting the video, ma'am has told that you see the video carefully. I am asking the question because you see already two experiment, two video we are showing, and in both the video we are using same experiment, same instrument. Okay, potential divider somehow it is correct. It is not wrong. We are using potential divider, nothing but a rheostat to vary the DC voltage. But for this experiment, here we are not using potential divider. You just see and remember that. Okay, what it is used. Just let me clear whether it is visible and audible clearly or not.
Today we are
Yes, ma'am. Audible, ma'am.
Okay, then see this, and the equipment name, you remember all the instrument equipment, all the procedure what we are following and showing the video, that you see carefully. Okay, because you are online, you are doing the experiment, and offline mode how we are doing the same experiment, it is clearly we explained in the video. Okay, so you just see this.
You ask any question. Madam is very talented she is a very talented technical assistant. She will be answering every question. She is very talented. Okay, so you ask the questions where you are having any doubt, you stop and ask. All the machines they have used the video, they have used in the video, they have done the video while coming during the corona period. Okay, it's not that we are showing the video in the online, you have logged in and you are doing something. Okay, I will be asking question from the video itself. Mind it. Forget about solving superposition theorem. In yeah, whatever the equipments the madam has connected and showing, I will ask the function of each of the equipment. Why you have connected? What is the reason? All these things you should know. It's not that you will do some calculation from ammeter, meter, voltmeter, wattmeter, voltmeter reading, ammeter reading, do some operation with the help of scientific calculator, and you will leave the lab. No, you are not here, therefore. The way you are answering, madam is asking why, what is the function of DC, and you are telling that is multimeter. These types of answer is not expected at all. You have to see the video very carefully. This is a very 16 minutes of video. See the video carefully. Okay. Yes, madam, start.
Yes, yes. One by one part we are showing here how it is solved. One by one circuit, three circuits are there. Okay, and the instrument equipment all are using ammeter, voltmeter, and the DC voltage vary. What we are using, just see, and whenever you have doubt, you just ask at that time, so that I will pause and explain. Okay, so now I am playing it.
Hi students, today we are performing experiment on superposition theorem. That's what is its aim, to verify superposition theorem by DC circuit. Okay, so we are, for this we are connecting three circuits. Circuit 1, that is circuit 1, it is circuit 2, and it is circuit 3. For three circuits we are taking also three readings, and just to verify what is the relationship of whenever the source E1 and E2 will be just both are taken, and what is the changes in current value, and what is the relationship we have to find out. In if whenever first case, in first case we are giving in both side DC sources, that is E1, and also giving same voltage. Suppose we are giving here 5 volt, this we are also giving 5 volt, and what is the current flowing through here, we have just to check it. In second source, just E1 source, that also same. Suppose 5 volt we are giving here, and E2 source will be shorted, and what is the value of E1, we have to check it. And in third case, in third diagram, here we have just E1 source will be shorted, that is not source, that is shorted, and E2 side will be giving through voltage, right? So how the connection will be? First of all, we have to go through the connection. So now we are here, we are using a variable supply source, DC variable supply source, DC variable supply source. Here three rheostats are used, and that all are range same, having 50 ohm 5 ampere, right? Here one R1, it is R2, it is R3. In second circuit also R1, R2, R3. Here also R1, R2, R3. As previous experiments, you are just connecting all the connection, first of all completing through series, right? This one in this way, then this whenever parallel circuit will be completed, after completing the series, parallel connection will be performed, right? Now we are go for first circuit, we are going to connect the circuit. You just watch. First of all, you was here, that is
See this instrument, have you remembered?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name of this instrument? Okay, again I am saying this is DC regulated power supply. Okay, what is this?
DC regulated.
DC regulated power supply to vary the DC voltage. Okay, the input we are giving it to the this power supply, that is AC, but inside this the rectifier circuit is there. It will convert it to DC, and the rating is 30 volt 3 ampere. Just remember the name of this equipment. This instrument is DC regulated power supply, which is used to vary the DC voltage. Clear to all of you? You just remember these things. Okay, these are very basic fundamental things, and these are the Viva question. Always we are asking these questions.
Okay, now we are go to the circuit diagram. Before circuit diagram, you just watch here. One DC source. This is the one DC source having E1. We are connecting to the E1. This is one is your, this side is your one E1. That means one of the DC source. Another DC source is that side. That means we are taking as in your circuit diagram E2. This is also here another DC source. Here three rheostats you are taking. One is this one. This is your R1. This is your R2. This is your R3. And what is the range of this rheostat? You just watch. It is 50 ohm, 5 ampere. That is 50 ohm, 5 ampere. And similarly, this also 50 ohm, 5 ampere. There is R2. And all of you know that rheostat having 3 points, 3 terminals. This is also 50 ohm, 5 ampere. So now we cannot use any variable points. We are just connecting to the fixed ends, right? Here, another main important thing is that ammeter. And this ammeter, as the source are DC, that's why you are taking a ammeter having 0 to 1 ampere or 2 ampere. And it is here very negligible current, we have to take it. That's why you are connecting to common, that is 0 and 1 ampere, right? And this is connected in series. All of you know that. Now we are coming to connection. You just watch your in your AC DC source, that is 0 to 30 volt 3 ampere. This value having the DC source having 0 to 30 volt 3 ampere, and here I am connecting. This is your 30 volt supply, right? You just watch it, 30 volt 3 ampere, and I am connecting now. First terminal is positive. Connected to where? You just watch it. Connected to your rheostat fixed end. This is the rheostat fixed end. You just watch it. This is the rheostat fixed end, right? And the rheostat's another fixed end goes to.
Student, how many terminals are there in a rheostat? Anybody?
Three.
Two terminals. Okay. What are they? What is the name? What is the name of that 3 terminal? Anybody? What is the name of that 3 terminal? 2 terminal are in the lower side, 1 is in the upper side. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So lower 2 terminal are fixed terminal. 3 is correct answer. Lower 2 terminals are fixed terminal, and upper one is your variable terminal. Okay. And the rheostat always rated in. What is the rating of a rheostat? Suppose I want to bring a rheostat. What I say? What is the rating? Anybody?
0.15.
Any other answer?
150 ohm, 5 ampere. 250 ohm.
That is in
1.15 ampere.
ohm. The rating is in ohm and ampere. Is it clear to all of you?
150 ohm, 5 ampere.
Whatever may be the rating, it is not mandatory that all are 50 ohm 5 ampere. The rheostat rating may be vary, na? It may be 100 ohm 2 ampere, maybe 500 ohm 1.7. So many ranges of rheostat are there.
Yes,
But my question was, what is the rating? The rating is always in ohm and ampere. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ohm and ampere. Whatever may be the ohm, it is rated, and the ampere means it has to withstand the current. These things you have to remember. Okay, the rating of a rheostat, write down all these things. What I am saying, these are the basic fundamental things. Okay. always rheostat should be rated in ohm and ampere. Is it clear to all of you? So just see the terminals, how SAR is connected.
Rheostats another end. This is the another end goes to R2's fixed end. You just watch it. Rheostats another.
Just see, just a minute. This is one fixed terminal, okay? Then here you see, this is another fixed terminal and this is your variable terminal. So how many terminals? 3 terminals. Lower 2 terminals are fixed terminal, upper one is your variable terminal. If we are connected in 2 fixed terminal, the resistance will not be changed. Clear? If we will connected one fixed, one variable, the resistance may be vary. Is it clear to all of you about the terminal?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
see?
Yes, ma'am.
See the connection, how SAR is connected. Just see.
Rheostats another fixed end connected to R2's another fixed end. Okay, here fixed end, and then R2's fixed end, R2's next fixed end, that is R2's next fixed end. That means this one. That means this one. This is R2's next fixed end connected to where? Connected to E2. That is source. That is also your next source. It is also connected to your positive terminal according to your diagram. According to your positive diagram. Then source second, that means it's a negative point. Here is your negative point, right? That's negative point connected to where? That connected to your rheostat. That means R3. This is your R3 rheostat. This is your R3 rheostat. R3 rheostat fixed end. We are just taking R3. This is the R3 rheostat, and it's another point. That means fixed end. It is also connected to your fixed end. And this terminal and again connected to your rheostat. That means your source negative end of your source.
So SAR is connected past the, what is the rule of a connection? Any connection when we are doing, how we will connect a circuit? Any idea? Anybody? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
When we are doing connection, electrical connection, how we will do the connection? Any connection? Maybe a simple circuit, maybe a complicated circuit. Always connect the series circuit first. Okay. First you complete the series circuit, then you complete the parallel circuit. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you see SAR is connected, SAR first completed first series part, then the parallel one SAR is connected. Just you see this.
That means here you are giving your source E1 source and your E2 source. This means this is the part, this is your E1 side and that is your E2 side. Now how the connected is connected to your ammeter. You just watch ammeters, one of the point, that means common point connected to your that point of the R1 and R2 which will be shorted, that connected to this one. You just watch here. I am here connecting this one. Okay, this point is connected here, and ammeter's another point. That means an ammeter's next point goes to R3's first end. That means R3's first end. You just watch it. R3's, this is the R3's first end, and it is connected to your 1 ampere. Okay, here. Now the circuit is completed for your circuit figure 1. Now coming to your observation table for your first figure, right? So here you watch, here we are taking three observations. That is for
Any doubt in the connection, student? No. Anybody having any doubt? Okay, all of you clear how the connection, any maybe a simple or complicated circuit, always do series parallel connection. Series connection first, then the parallel connection. Okay, it will be easy. So just see.
your figure 1, this is for your figure 2, and this is for your figure 3. And we are just comparing, and what is the changes, we have to check it and it mark any remark. Okay, now I am just switch on the circuit, right? Now I am then that is the first, in your first figure, you just watch it. What is written? Ammeter reading with source E1. That means this is the E1. So ammeter reading with source E1 and E2, and what is the current value is taken here, and that current value showing in your ammeter, ampere, that means ammeter, right? So now I am switch on the circuit. Okay, now just switch oning this point here. DC source will be given, switch on the circuit, and now you just watch, switch on, and here I am, how much voltage I am providing here, just in your E1 side, E1 source, you watch, I am giving, it's near about 10 volt, okay? And coming to your E2 source, similarly, I am as giving to E1 10 volt, I am also setting this to your 10 volt, okay? You just watch, it is here in E2 circuit, E2 source, that is also 10 volt. That means E1 also 10 and E2 also 10. What is the current value? You just watch it here. What is the current? As we are kind of to 0 to 1 ampere. That means it's a lower scale. Okay. So 0, that is your 0.1, 0.2, likewise it is coming to 1. But your pointer is where? 0.13. That is 0.13. It is near about 0.13, because 0. You just watch 0.13 for your circuit 1, right? Now coming to your second circuit, here in second circuit we are just sorting to your E2 side, E2 source, right? So according to the circuit diagram, I am just, E2 source will be disconnected and just sorted, right? That is sorted, and now in similar way, E1, that means E1 source will be giving to your 10 volt. And what is the value changes in your ammeter? We have to just check it. Now I am just here E1 source again coming to your 10 volt. I am giving voltage is 10. Okay. It is approx 10. Now, what is the value of current? You just watch it. It is 10 volt. And what is the current value? It is your, how much? Just watch it. 0.5, 0.06. 0.06. This is your 0.06, 0.07. It may take 0.07. Okay. And just fill up the second table, that means second I'm reading 0.07, and here E1 source equal to your 10 volt. Okay, coming to now for third circuit, just watch. In third circuit, what is that? In third circuit, you just watch that E1 source will be shorted. Now I am sorting this E1 sources. Okay, sorting the E1 sources, and I am E2 source will be giving the supply. As the in second circuit, you just watch it, in E2 circuit will be sorted, but here E2 in third circuit the E2 will be given supply. That's why again I am connecting this source supply to E2 circuit. Okay. Now I am switch on to the your E2, and I am apply here 10 volt. Just watch it. It is okay, it's 10 volt. And what is the current value? Just watch it. What is the ammeter value? What is the ammeter? It is around approximate 0.06. Okay. Now just fill down the table. 0.06. Okay, this is 0.06 ampere, and having E2 source 10 volt. Okay.
Okay, student, already ma'am has done the calculation, theoretical calculation. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In
Yes,
that
ma'am.
case, what is the value of I?
0.133.
Yes, 133. Okay. Then it is coming 0.13 due to
Yes, ma'am.
the instrumental error. Because in theoretical and practical value is little bit difference. not so much difference, little bit difference due to your instrumental error. In instrument, when we are using small error is there, that is called instrumental error. Okay, that's why approximately it is coming 0.13. 133 is your theoretical calculation, so it is correct. Yes or no? Then I1 is how much in the theoretical calculation?
0.063.
Sorry,
Okay, both are 0.066. Okay, approximately it is 0.07 and 0.06. So how much is your I1 plus I2? 0.13. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
The little bit difference is due to 0.07 here and 0.06 here. It is due to the instrumental error. So it is verified. Yes or no?
Yes.
Theoretically and practically it is proved that superposition theorem is verified and it is correct. Okay. Then in the second reading, sir has taken E1 and E2 different. Here sir has taken E1, E2 both. Okay. You may take any value of E1, E2, not mandatory to take the same value. You may take the resistance R1, R2, R3 also different. In simulation, I am showing that. Okay. Then next second reading, for second reading, you see the voltage and both E1, E2 value are changing and the reading, what it is coming, you just see.
Now, so what is the that means I equals to your I1 plus I2, that means I1 0.07, I2 0.06. So how much it is? That means I equals to I1 plus I2, that means same. It is verified. So remark mentioned, it is verified. It is your verified, and that is I equals to I1 plus I2. Okay. Now for second observation, we are just changes in your E1. That means this E1 sources and E2 sources will be some changes. That means E1 sources now I am giving 15 volt. Okay. So E1 should be your 15 volt. That is now switch on, and my DC source will be on, and you just watch it here. I am giving here 15 volt. Slightly changes the 15 volt I am giving here, that is 15 volt. In your E1 side I am giving 15, and you watch E2 side, same I am providing here, that is 10 volt. Okay. It is 10 volt. Tell me, this 10 volt. Now, what is the current value you watch? What is the current value? This is your 0.16, right? So, in your second, that is current value is 0.16 for E1 equal to your 15 volt and E2 equal to your 10 volt. Okay. So now I am for second circuit, I am just E2 source will be shorted here, and I am similar in E1 side will be giving to my 15 volt again. So as per your diagram we are going through, that is in your E1 source will be coming to 15 volt and E2 will be shorted, and what is the current value? E2 will be shorted here, you just watch the E2 will be shorted, and what is the current value? Just watch it. It is 0.11, right? So it is, that is your point, almost 0.1. Okay, 0.1, and whether E1 equal to your 15 volt. Okay, so it is your second, and in your last circuit it is coming to E1 will be 0, and I am just sorting this one, because in your third circuit we have to go through. So here sorting this E1 source and E2. Now E2 will be, and how much E2 supply will be given? You just remember 10 volt we have to given here, that E2 source side, right? So is watch it. Similarly, I am giving here 10 volt, the E2 side, and E1 will be your shorted here. And what is the current value? Just watch it. Again, 0.06. Okay, just note it here, 0.06, and here E2 given 10 volt. Okay, so how much it is? That is E, that is your I equals to your 0.16, and that I equals to I1 plus I2, I1 equal to 0.1, and this is I2 is 0.06. So total I equal to 0.16. That means it's verified, and it is verified having I equals to your I1 plus I2. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Okay, any doubts, student?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Okay, all of you understand how superposition theorem is verified?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just I'm giving the reading. Take the screenshot. This is for superposition theorem. Okay. Just take the screenshot. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so all of you, okay, all of you clear about the offline part. So now we'll go for the online. Okay, so just see this. Done, ma'am. Okay, you have the link, the fake link.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So once again, I'm just sharing.
Yes, madam, I'm sharing in the WhatsApp. Sorry, in the
Okay.
chat box.
Okay, okay. So see, so you know about the circuit? Just do it.
I have shared the link. All of you have got the link?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is visible to?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So yes. So see, this is the first circuit. Okay. So you have to need both side source voltage. Okay. Then three resistor and one ammeter. Okay. So this 2 voltmeter you have to check by this battery, or else you just check through the voltmeter. Okay. So you need three resistor, one ammeter, and both side source voltage. For source voltage, you have to need the battery. Okay, is it done? Now I am clicking the values. Okay, so first I am giving the voltage in the left side, that is 10 volt. Also in the right side I am giving the 10 volt, and all the resistor I am just giving 50 ohm. So if you take 10 ohm, it's okay, but according to your offline, I'm just doing. Okay. So now, see,
Ma'am, left side you have taken 9 volt.
I'm taking 10 volt. Okay. Okay. Now see, the current is 0.13 ampere. Okay. This is our main circuit. Okay. You have to do 3 circuit for 3 tap. Okay. For each tap you have to do 1 circuit, or else in one tap you have to do 3 circuit. Okay. So this is the first circuit. Then second circuit you have to do what
Can't we? Okay.
yes.
I'm nothing. Maybe clear.
Okay. So in the next circuit, what to do? One side source you have to short circuit it. Okay. So I'm just remove it and short circuiting it. Okay. Then see what the current is flowing. That is 0.07 ampere. Okay. Then at last in the other side I am just short circuiting, and here I am just giving the battery here. Now it is coming 0.07. But in the main circuit, what current is coming? 0.13. Okay. And the individual current is flowing 0.07 and 0.07. What is the summation of these two? That is
Point.
0.14. So that error is 0.01 error is coming. Okay. In some cases it is equal. In some cases it is just 0.01 or 0.02 difference is there. Okay. So I am doing here all the 3 circuit, but you have to do 3 circuit in a tap or in different taps.
Ma'am, for each voltage, ma'am, for different voltage, we have to take that 50 ohm resistor constant for every voltage, right?
Yes, once again you ask.
Ma'am, for any voltage for E1 or E2, we have to take the resistor 50 ohm constant.
Same register. Don't vary this register.
Okay.
Your motto is you have to vary the voltage
Voltage. Ma'am.
and see the current. Okay, here I am just choosing each side is equal voltage. If you want, you have to give different voltage in other side, that is okay. Okay, if you want to do here this side 10 volt and this side just you giving 15 volt, that is okay. Okay. And see, and you have to verify in each case. If you do here 15 volt, and then what current is 10.17, then you have to do like this. This side voltage you have to omit and see the current, and this side voltage you have to omit, short circuited it and see the current, and see the remark. Okay, what is coming? Is it equal, or there is some error is coming? That you have to mention in your remark column. Understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, what about the
Okay.
error, ma'am?
Error means, see, in the last case, what is the error coming? That is 0.01 is coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that is the error. If there is no error, means your motor is your main current is equal to your individual current summation of individual current. Okay, so that is your verified, or there is some error is coming that you have to mention.
Okay.
Okay. So now I'm stop sharing here. If any doubt, you just ask, or else I'm just stop sharing here and give you just 5 minutes time. Okay. So I'm just stop sharing here.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Tell Surajita.
Yes.
Ma'am, actually, I'm unable to open the link. It's showing some
Share
type
your
of error. So,
Share your screen.
okay, ma'am.
Those who are facing any issues, you share your screen. Let us see.
Ma'am, this is the link that you had sent, but then it's not opening.
Once again, refresh. Copy that link. Copy that link. Copy. Go to your browser. No, Google Chrome में खोलो. Google Chrome नहीं है. यहाँ पर पेस्ट करो.
Same problem.
बैक करो. और एक ब्राउजर में खोलो. और क्या है? एक्सप्लोरर में खोलो. इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर है.
मैंने वो क्या लिख रहा है वो दिखा दो.
हम आज ही प्रॉब्लम दे रहा है, इससे पहले नहीं दे रहा था.
आपका नेटवर्क ठीक है तो?
नहीं, आज थोड़ा स्लो है.
मे बी
हाँ, वो इसीलिए प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है.
गूगल पे सर्च मिल जाएगा.
Try some other site to open. Is it opening? Except this one, another site, any other site. So you can verify that network problem is there or site problem.
Anybody facing any issues in opening the site?
Ma'am, it's working on my mobile phone.
मोबाइल का नेटवर्क कनेक्ट कर लो और लैपटॉप में.
Ma'am, I'll try.
ट्राई करो. ये कुछ ज्यादा बड़ा प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
You maybe cannot copied the link properly. You check the link again. If it is mobile, it is opening, and laptop, why it is not open? You check the link properly.
वहीं से कॉपी करो जो चैट बॉक्स में दी हूँ. वहीं से कॉपी करो. ये तो मैनुअल से कॉपी करो.
I'm done.
Wait. Those who have done, I am giving you another problem you didn't.
मैम ऑनलाइन रीडिंग कितना लेंगे 5 और मोर
3 लो 3 My screen is visible, all of you?
यस मैम
Yes, ma'am.
This problem you do it, I will check. Using superposition theorem, find the value of V.
Ma'am, we will do simulation of this.
Sorry, just wait. I will just wait. I will give you simulation, just wait.
ସେମାନେ ଆସିବେ ବାପାକୁ ସିଏ ଖାଇବେ ତ ହବ ସିନା ପାଇଁ
Find current in 40 ohm using superposition theorem. And in the meantime, I will call roll numbers. You will share.
मैम स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हुआ है मैम.
हाँ क्या हुआ?
स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हुआ है.
स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हुआ. Yes, those are completed. You continue doing this one. And find out the current in the 40 ohm resistor. This one. Using superposition theorem. Take this as 10 ohm. 20 ohm. Take this is 5 ohm. This is 5 ohm. Take this as 5 volt. Take this as 10 volt. अंदर हम 50 volt का सही परिवार ना
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you, Bandra madam, can you give 50 volt na in fact?
50 volt, na? Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
So you take this as 50 volt. This one you solve it.
Ma'am, on simulation.
Simulation.
मैम
Find out. बोलो.
मैम वो जो जिसमें आई जा रहा है उसका
मैम
रेजिस्टेंस
इसमें तो 40 वोल्ट का है मैम, 40 ओम तो दिया नहीं अपने में, 5 ओम 20 ओम है उधर।
40 ohm ये वाला है.
ओके
Find current in 40 ohm.
ओके
Find I 40 ohm. Okay. All of you got it. This one you do it. Those who have completed, I think yes. I will call roll number randomly. I will call. You will see. All of you first note down.
Ma'am, do you have to attach this on our practical?
Sir, namaste. First year.
ସେ ଯୋଉ ଇଏ ତାଙ୍କ କଲେକ୍ସନ ଅଛି ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ପ୍ରଥମଟା ଅଠେଇଶ ତାରିଖ ମାନେ ବୋଲେ କେମିତି ହବ ସେଠି ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ
ଲାକ୍ସର ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ ଆସିବ ନା
ବଢିଆ ନା
ଆମେ ସେପଟେ ଦେଇକି କହିଦେବି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ
ତାଙ୍କର ଜାଣି ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ ନା ଶୁଣିଲେ ଟଙ୍କା
ହଉ ଆମର କିଛି ନଥିଲା
Ma'am, upper resistance is 20 ohm.
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
ସାର୍ ଟିକେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ କଥା ପଚାରିବେ ଟିକେ ଗୋଟେ हाँ हो गया करो
मैम वो पेज ओपन करती है।
मैम वो पेज ओपन कर दीजिए बस।
हाँ एक मिनट
मैम डन
I'm done.
I'm done.
Completed, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम उसका सिमुलेशन हो गया.
This one also completed?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. This one doing, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, do. You have lot of time, another half an hour is there. Do.
मैम इसका आंसर 0.71 एम्पियर होगा.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
0.71 आ रहा है.
Yes, ma'am. दोनों में 7 आना 0.0.
ये वाले का
0.71 आ रहा है.
0.71 आ रहा मैम.
0.7
I का value, yes, ma'am.
वही आ रहा है 0.71.
0.71 आ रहा है. 0.71.
0.71.
हाँ ठीक है, 707 उसको राउंड करने से 71 ही होगा ना.
Yes.
इसको और इंडिविजुअली तुम लोग एनालिसिस यूज करना, मेस नोडल एनालिसिस जो भी यूज करके विदाउट यूजिंग सुपरफिशियल थ्योरम फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज द करंट. चेक वेदर यू आर गेटिंग दिस आंसर और नॉट. हाँ, अच्छा, लेट मी कॉल roll number. Accordingly, I will take the attendance. Those who will share, I will take the attendance. Just a minute.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Very good.
मैम 0.71.
सेकेंड वाला भी कर लिए?
Yes, ma'am. सेकंड वाला भी हो गया.
Yes, ma'am. सर हो गया.
पूरा.
मैम जो फर्स्ट वाला था उसका 3 सर्किट बनाना है, मतलब 3 बोर्ड बनाना था ना मैम टैब में.
तीन सर्किट बनाना. 3 सर्किट नहीं बनाओगे तो कैसे सॉल्व करोगे तुम?
हाँ मैम.
सेकंड वाला था.
मैम
विदाउट यूजिंग.
मैम रीडिंग 3 तो ही लेने थे ना. मैम 3 रीडिंग ही लेना था ना.
हाँ, 3 रीडिंग और सर्किट भी 3 बनाना. जितना नंबर ऑफ सोर्सेस से 1 without using any superposition theorem you have to find out the current. Otherwise how will you verify? Then second circuit is first you will take one source, then third circuit is second source. Okay.
Yes,
you have to
second
check
वाले
by
का बस
using
एक circuit
superposition theorem. By without using superposition theorem you will check whether you are getting same answer. Second circuit भी वैसे हिसाब से बनाओ. राणा जय you share. मैडम तीन के टाइम देखिए ना ठीक है. ये कर दबा कि स्प्लिट कर दबा रूम. वंदना मैडम.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, मैम जल्दी हो जाएगा.
जल्दी हो जाएगा. Should we split the room? Break up room.
Yes, madam. Okay, ma'am. Yes, madam.
हाँ बताओ कुछ असुविधा नहीं.
ନାଇଁ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ.
ओके. तर मते दीटा लिंक पठे दियो. मु गोटे एठी चेक कर देबी. आ दीटा तीनटा दे दियो रूम. आपण ये शेयर कर दियो चैट बॉक्स आ कर दो. इनेबल कर दो.
मैम चारटा मीटिंग आईडी ना केतरा करिवे?
चारटा करी आनबो. तीनटा कर दो. अच्छे
गूगल क्लासरूम रे डायरेक्ट दे दे कि जार जति गेला जो मान न देखे जिन से माने हाफ एन आवर की 1 आवर क्लॉक भितरे शेयर करिवे. सेमती कर देला हो कि
गूगल क्लासरूम रे?
हां
हां सेमती लाओ. कुछ असुविधा नहीं.
स्क्रीनशॉट शेयर हो तुम.
हाँ से स्क्रीनशॉट से नहीं शेयर कर दबो नहीं तो
आपण मते गूगल क्लासरूम रे ऐड कर दियंतु मु सेठी लिंक खोली पठे दोची
हो हो हां
कारण तो 10 टा एक्सपेरिमेंट ना सब एक्सपेरिमेंट कोन दीदीटा मीटिंग करी हो ना कोन कहउछन जेमति आपण कहबे
सी मीटिंग दे कर देले से माने शेयर कर देले अटेंडेंस तो सेठी दे देबा मार्क कर
हां
देबा
ठीक है ठीक है ओके
टेक्निकल स्टूडेंट
ओके
ओ मैडम चैट बॉक्स एनेबल कर देई छी आपण के पठी दे
हां
रोल नंबर मध्ये
आमे
सीट अछि आपण पाखरे ना पठी देबी आथरे
नहीं सीट नहीं मैडम चित्रलेखा मैडम
हां कोन
ऑलरेडी मैडम आमे देइथिलु ना लिंक सब इंडिविजुअल सेमान को पाखरे तो थिबो रोल नंबर वाइज
हां एग्जैक्टली
तेनु से माने स्टूडेंट हैव यू द आईडी डिफरेंट आईडी
No,
or
ma'am.
not?
No, ma'am.
In the first class, we have given according to the roll number you have been distributed.
Yes, it was given
No.
already.
But we didn't say.
Ma'am, but we don't have that meet ID now.
Okay, again we'll give.
अंजना मैडम आपन को मु शेयर करली येटा ताको स्टूडेंट लिस्ट शेयर कर
ओके मैम मोनालिसा मैडम कर मोर गोटे ये रही जाउछु आ वंदना मैडम गोटे रहिबे आपण गोटे देखिबे कहउछन
हां मु गोटे देखि
ओके हां वंदना मैम ए जे रोके आपण गोटे रहि जांतु
हां मैम ओके
ओके मोनालिसा मैडम ऑलरेडी गोटे देई चंदी सेठी को रोल नंबर जॉइन करबे खाली कहि दियंतु चित्रलेखा मैडम
आपण
लिंक रे को
शेयर फर्स्ट आपण शेयर कर दियंतु
ऑलरेडी गोटे लिंक शेयर हे जेछि मोनालिसा मैडम कर
हां गोटे शेयर हे जेछि
Ma'am, which roll number to which roll number will join which of the link?
I will tell you. I am telling you.
Okay, ma'am.
Roll number 770. Roll number 700 up to Asutosh Raut 780. You be here. Okay. I am telling you, all of you listen. Roll number 784. Sorry, roll number 700, not 84. Roll number 780.
Ma'am, last time my student roll number was 802 to 826 around. I think so. Same student list मिलने से easy रहेगा for verifying every class.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
800.
मैम व्हाट्सएप में आप मार्च 10 में भेजी थी
अरे तुमको मैं बोल रही हूँ अभी सुनो ना व्हाट्सएप में और लिखने का टाइम सचिन आई एम कॉलिंग यू जस्ट आई एम इन द क्लास आई एम कॉलिंग यू आफ्टर हाफ एन आवर ओके सो वंदना मैडम आपनकर केते थिला
802 to 826 अराउंड माने जहां देखबा
802 to okay 826 802 to 826 you join the second link वंदना मैडम लिखा हुआ है वंदना बहन
Yes, ma'am.
You join got it all of you I will not repeat there you will get where you will share the screen there attendance will be taken so all of you leave 802 to 826 you leave Vandana madam you can leave
okay madam
all of you leave then 827 to 852 go to the first link Mona Lisa Das has been written go to the first link
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
ah
ma'am, do we need to come after showing the?
no need to come madam will take that no need to join here again you will
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
thereafter sharing
okay ma'am
And ma'am, on the
Then-
700 students?
Wait. 851 to 860. Join the first link. 851 to 860. Join the first link. Mona Lisa Das. Got it? Got it, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैडम बोले ना 850 to 861. Sir, 851 to 860.
Yes, ma'am. But
Yes, ma'am.
first she told 827 to 852. Then she
Yes,
added
ma'am.
851 to 860.
So rest. Madam. First मैडम बोले थे 27 to 52 ना?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
Yes,
just
ma'am.
wait.
Okay, 27. Roll 27.
Yes, hello ma'am.
शेयर करो.
Sorry ma'am, my internet is not good today.
तो क्या कर रहे हो इधर?
Ma'am,
इधर तो शेयरिंग के लिए बोला गया है ना.
Yes ma'am, I can share that. My internet is good, but I cannot. This is the ma'am the first one. This is the second one ma'am. This is the third one, and this is the question ma'am has given.
Madam has. Okay.
Okay ma'am.
Show me the first circuit.
Here ma'am.
0.13. So the values. Click the values.
Okay ma'am. There it is. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you ma'am.
Then 28.
Yes, ma'am, sharing. Ma'am, the first one, second, third.
First one at the top.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the first one.
Yes, ma'am. First.
0.67. Okay, then second. 0.03 or what?
What, ma'am?
Yes,
0.33. Third one. So third one. Okay. It is coming 0.66. Why?
3. Well, yes, ma'am.
Here the error, why the error is coming? In offline the instrument error is coming, but online the instrument error is not there. Then 0.01 error is why coming?
Value, ma'am. Value problem.
Because it is not able to show 3 digit. Okay, decimal digit only 2 it is showing. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, stop. Next. 28.
21, 29. 29.
Yes, ma'am, I am sharing. Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, coming.
Ma'am, this is the first diagram. This one is the second. The third one, the values.
Click the values.
The third one, and this one is the fourth one which ma'am gave us.
Okay. 30.
Yes, ma'am. Sharing. Ma'am, this is the first one. This is the second one. This is the third one.
Okay.
And this is the fourth one that ma'am gave.
Okay, stop, sir. 31.
Yes, ma'am. Sharing. Ma'am, this is my first one. And this is my second one. First is 0.17 and then 0.10 and third 0.07.
Okay.
And
you have given unequal voltage both sides, na?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Unequal. This is 15 volt and this is 10 volt, and this is only 15 volt and lastly only 10 volt. Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. And this is the last one which ma'am gave.
Okay, you verified, na?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Stop sharing. Next. Okay. 31 completed, na? 32 you share?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, why you all are taking the same value 10, 10, 10? This is another circuit. Okay. Okay. Last one you verified or not? But only one circuit you have shown? No, show me again. Second circuit what ma'am is given. Show me again. This is 0.71. Then superposition theorem how verified? That I am asking. This is the original circuit, na? You have to verify the superposition theorem. Understand? How you verified? Have you done it or not? If you don't do, then you do it now. And at last you show me. Okay, understand now what I am saying? Next.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you, when you are sharing the second circuit, you have to do again the 3 circuit for the second one also. Okay. So all the 3 circuit and say, show me.
And this
Okay,
is the first one.
1.13. Huh?
This is the second one.
Hmm?
This is the third one.
Okay, okay.
And this is the last that ma'am gave question.
That is, listen, this last circuit, only one circuit you have done, na?
Yes, ma'am. One circuit.
You have to do the superposition theorem if you want to prove. Then what you have to do? You have to, again, E1 you take, E2 short circuit, again E2, then only it will be verified. You complete it. Okay, all of you complete the second circuit, other 2 steps. Next. 36. 36.
One second. Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Sir. No.
Ma'am, actually, first one I have taken the screenshot, and from the second one I have done this.
Okay. Yes, this second circuit, yes, this is first one. Second?
Ma'am, this one is the first one. I have taken the screenshot actually.
No, what I am saying you are not understanding. I am saying this is your first circuit. 2 circuit ma'am has given? Yes or no?
Ma'am, I will
listen first. Listen first what I am saying. I am not saying only you. I am saying all of you. Ma'am has given 2 circuit. Correct? One circuit you are doing according to offline. One circuit ma'am has given. Both the circuit, 3 circuit are there, na?
Yes, ma'am.
That I am saying. In second case, how you verify superposition theorem? You have to do other 2 circuit. You just do it and again you show me.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you got my point or not? Or any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. 38 you share? 38 you share? Share. All of you do. Those who have not done, all of you do. All the 3 circuit you have to share.
Ma'am, is it visible? Ma'am, this one, the first one.
It is correct. So, show me the second circuit. Have you completed the second circuit?
Just a second. Ma'am, I have done the first one only. Other 2 I will do.
You do it. You do it and show me again. Okay. Then only I will give the mark. 39.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm doing the second one. Wait a minute.
Dikhao.
Yes.
Doing means not completed.
No, ma'am. Is my screen visible? This is
just
the
a
first.
minute.
Can you see my screen?
No. This is the first circuit. Na, I am saying about the second circuit.
Yes, ma'am. This is the 2 batteries, and I'm currently doing this is E1, and
yes.
I will construct it.
Yes. That I am saying. Yes, all of you completed. All of you complete. Next. 40.
Ma'am, same as ma'am, I've only done one circuit. I have to do the other one.
Okay. Then who has completed all the circuit?
Ma'am, 848.
848 you share first.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Is it visible?
Again, I'm asking about the second one, not this one.
Second.
This is very easy. Just show me one by one. You show me. First one, the current is how much? For first circuit, you show me how much is the current. Okay. For second.
For second.
For second.
0.2.
0.12. For third. 0.59. Is it verified?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good.
Should I stop sharing?
Next. Who has completed the circuit what Vivek has shared? They shared first. Anybody? Hello. Am I audible or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Doing.
All are doing.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed quickly. Okay, up to 39 completed, na? Up to 39. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
40 you share your screen.
Hello.
You share your screen. 40.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this is the one. Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, it is visible. You have not given the value. Click on the value always. Okay. Then next. Do you know na how value is coming? Hello.
Ma'am, this is the first one only.
Click on the value. Right corner, the value is there. Click on that value.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry. This is the first one only. I have to do the second one. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I was just unable to open the link. That's why it was taking time. Hello.
Okay. Okay. It is fine, but make it properly. Okay. Have you completed the second circuit? Okay, you complete. 841. Share.
Yes,
841.
yes, ma'am. I'm sharing. No, ma'am.
Share.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Share.
What happened? Yes, ma'am. 841 you share.
Ma'am, is it visible?
No. Yes, visible.
And the first
Okay.
one. And the second one I'm doing. Ma'am, just a second, I'm doing.
Okay, complete it. Okay. Then next. 842, 43.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Share.
Ma'am, is the first question. Ma'am,
You are in
again,
mobile.
it's the second. Yes, ma'am. Actually, my laptop charge is low. That's why I'm doing it here. So it's. Ma'am, the second one I'm doing.
Okay, complete it. Next.
Okay.
Who is next?
मैम 8:45.
हाँ शेयर करो.
यस मैम.
जल्दी करो. 45.
Ma'am, it's showing something for preferences. Can I like share it in 2 minutes?
Then you, huh?
Some system preferences is showing some issues. Or can I share
Then
it
you
in 2
wait,
seconds?
wait. After it's okay. You share. 8:46.
Sharing. Is this visual one?
Yes.
This is the second one. This is the second and third.
Then
This is the first one.
No. Show me the second circuit. Second circuit. Show me again. Yes. Then next. Yes. Okay. Stop. Your roll number is 46.
8:46.
48 completed, na? 48.
I have shown all the 6 circuits.
48 completed. Then next 49.
Yes, ma'am. I am sharing.
Share करो.
Can I leave 8:48?
48 तो completed ना?
हम leave कर सकते हैं.
Those who have completed, they can leave.
हाँ.
This is the first
49
one.
share करो. Okay.
Is it visible?
Yes.
And second one, third one, and this is the which ma'am is given.
Show me the other circuit for this.
I have done only one circuit. I am doing the second circuit.
You complete quickly. 49 completed. 51. Those who have completed sharing completed, they can leave. 51 share करो जल्दी.
Ma'am, you will check the second circuit's other ones.
No. For tomorrow the time is not there.
Okay.
You just complete it and screenshot share करो group में.